In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a vendor payment in Odoo. We'll go through the full process of recording a payment against a vendor bill so you can make sure your accounting records stay accurate and up to date. This is a simple workflow, but it's important to pay attention to a few details along the way, especially when confirming the payment amount, journal, and payment date. To begin, open the accounting app in Odoo. Once you're there, go to Vendors, then select Bills. This will take you to the list of vendor bills already created in your system. From here, open the specific vendor bill that you want to pay. Before moving forward, make sure the bill is in the posted status. This matters because payments can only be registered on bills that have been officially confirmed. If the bill is still in draft, you'll need to post it first before continuing. Once the bill is posted, click the Pay button. This opens the payment window where you'll enter the details of the vendor payment. In this window, select Payment Only. This option is used when you simply want to register a payment for the existing bill, without making changes to the bill itself. Next, choose the appropriate journal. In many cases, this will be your bank journal, but the correct option depends on where the money is being paid from. After that, select the payment method that matches how the payment is being made. This helps keep your records organized and consistent. Now enter or verify the amount to pay. Always take a moment to confirm that the amount is correct, especially if you are making a partial payment or settling the bill in full. Then, set the payment date. This date is important because it affects when the payment is reflected in your accounting. You should also review the memo field. If needed, update it so the payment reference is clear and easy to identify later. A good memo can make reconciliation and reporting much easier. When everything looks correct, click Create Payment. Odoo will register the payment and link it to the vendor bill automatically. Finally, return to the vendor bill and verify that the payment has been applied successfully. You should see that the amount due has been updated accordingly, which confirms that the payment is now reflected on the bill. That's all it takes to register a vendor payment in Odoo. Thanks for watching.